A for apple. A apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for goat. Goat. H for hen. Hen. I for inkpot. Inkpot. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for mango. Mango. N for nest. Nest. O for orange. Orange. P for pineapple. Pineapple. Q for queen. Queen. R for rose. Rose. S for ship. Ship. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. W for watch. Watch. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. Please subscribe my channel Ranjit Extra Knowledge. Also like, share and press the bell icon. Thank you.